Hello everyone, we are from Group 7. Today we are going to present our Value Management coursework.
My name is Nurul Aina binti Omar and I will present my part. First, Value Management Study Methodology is a process, principles and technique used in the conduct and practice of value management. Value Management Study has conducted a value management work plan that comprised of 3 stages in this report, which were pre-workshop, workshop and post-workshop. Pre-workshop explain about the gathering basic information such as the project's background, its relationship to policy, the project's objective, scope, outcome and cost. At the workshop phase, there were 3 phases which were information phase, creativity phase and evaluation phase. While post-workshop is where the report detailing the workshop approach, events and outcome is written in straightforward and complete manner. Next, the proposed project is the development at a commercial area near the UTM Lake. University Teknologi Malaysia Skudai Johor Darul Takzim. UTM has entrusted our value management team to selecting the right project that can deliver significant returns for UTM to deploy in this area. The quality of the value management research will never be compromised for the sake of cost saving. Next, this is our team member. Next, this is the constraint of the site, which were time, budget and pandemic COVID-19. This is the agenda of our study phase, which were information phase. Important note, due to the pandemic COVID-19, all meetings and discussion will be conducted online. This is our fast diagram, which were done under creativity phase in workshop phase.
My name is Nur Fatima. I will explain about the proposed project. The project name is Proposed Construction and Completion of 2-story multi-purpose hall, UTM Skudai Johor at Near Lake. The type of building is refreshment, entertainment and recreation buildings. Value Management Team recommend to build 2-story multi-purpose hall. The facility, which has a function hall and an open area on the first floor, is available for UTM students to rent out for events such as outdoor activities, dinners, seminar and exhibitions. The upper floor will feature everything students need, including a gym, a little library, a conference area and a pantry. Value Management Consultant has taken similar element cost analysis for the previous project 2-story multi-purpose hall, which located at Putra Heights, Subanjaya, Selangor as a reference. Therefore, Value Management Consultant has decided to make additional on the cost due to different location of project, which is previous project from Subanjaya, Selangor and proposed project at UTM Skudai Johor. This is the calculation how we estimate for this project. We use Arcadis 2020 for additional costs.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nawal Nabahan bin Arif and I'm going to explain about our second proposal, which is the double story chalet. So double story chalet include with master bedroom, bath, kitchen, dining area, cover porch and garage. It's located at UTM Lake and it is a residential building, and for the building it consists of 620 meters square and it will take about 4 months for construction period. So the purpose of building this double story chalet is to provide place for visitors to stay when they come to UTM, especially on convocation day. And with this building we can earn more profit during convocation day because a lot of people will come during that day. And lastly, for double story chalet, it is easy to operate and maintain because the cost for operate and maintain is lower than other buildings. So for cost, the previous cost, which is I take the ECA elemental cost analysis from Kelantan. This building with the same GFA 620 meters square, it costs about 663 ringgit per meter square and the total cost will take about 400,000. And after we add a new cost according to Arcadis 2020, it have additional cost for about 120,000 ringgit and the total cost become 530,000 ringgit for the new cost for double story chalet. So this is the ECA form. It's the form 1, form 2 and form 3. And that's all from me. Thank you very much.
I am Georgina Bongi and I will present for the proposed project number 3, that is two-story cafe. So this project was based on ECF from proposed two-story restaurant from Daerah Setiu, Terengganu. This new building is located near to the UTM Lake. It is a minimalist design and straightforward cafe. It has couches and group tables on one side, while a long counter table that has single seats for those who would rather not socialize. The combination ensures that privacy is maintained while crowding is kept in check. The two-story cafe design and features with kitchen, dining area, study area, storage space, toilet, and surau. So the gross floor area for this project is 516 meters square. The construction period is 11 months and the story height from the ground floor is 4.50 meter and 4 meter in the first floor. So for the project cost, from the previous similar project, the cost is 592,444.50 cents ringgit Malaysia, and updated price based on the Arcadise 2020 was added to RM 47,395.50 cents due to the new location. So the estimated project cost proposed for the project 3 is 639,840 ringgit Malaysia.
Proposed project 4, Welcome Center and Gallery. This new building is located at a prominent campus along Lingkaran University Street. The vernacular of this building is varied and represents the image of the university. The purpose of the Welcome Center in campus for admitting new students and then providing continual assisting during their academic career with employment assistance through Career and Employment Service. This building is for educational and information project. The GFA for this building is 405 meter square, story height at ground floor 6 meter, and the construction cost is 2,594,581. Project cost from previous similar project at RM 1,783,290.50 cents, and then updated price from Arcadis 2020, since the building is built in different location and the cost will added by 811,290.50 cents. So at the end, estimation proposed project at RM 2,594,581. This is the ECA Form 1 for Purpose Welcome and Gallery on Sepang Gold Coast, Selangor. Form number 2 and form number 3. That's all for me. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Lim Men Ting. Next, I am going to explain about the evaluation phase of this value management coursework. The first part is the relevant team command. Our value management team consists of 6 members and all of us had command the advantage and disadvantage for 4 of the proposed projects. We also comment our opinions on how to improve the proposed project. The second part of the evaluations is the criteria scoring matrix. The criteria we agree to use in this workshop are initial cost, aesthetic, maintenance cost, construction period, construction method, and future profit for the project. The raw score of each criteria is calculated based on the comparison of the performance between each features. For example, in terms of initial cost and building aesthetics, the major preference of the project is initial cost, therefore it can score 4 marks. The assigned weight also be calculated based on the raw score. Next, the proposed projects are assigned according to these 6 criteria with 5 different levels of performance. Then the marks are multiplied with assigned value and total out to conclude which proposed project is the best. Two-story cafe project ranked the first and followed by the double-story chalet. These 2 projects is then assessed by initial rate of return IRR According to the IRR, our team conclude that two-story cafe project is recommended to be invested because the higher score of criteria scoring metric and IRR, which means that it has the best project performance and able to generate highest return.